Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one I gave you to buy for today's session was Tata Motors. On the daily chart, the breakout did not materialize. So I'm going to write did not hit entry level. Second stock was Rajesh Exports at 612 rupees. Here we go. Again another bummer. 616 is the high. Let me see here in first 5 minutes. So only one target was hit. Moving on to penultimate stock, and it was Alembic Pharma at 755. Once again we will go back to daily chart. 775, 755. I'm really sorry. So, where is the daily chart? No, 5-minute chart. Somewhere here. 777, 57, 751. So, SL got hit. Fourth and final stock was Mahanagar Gas at 773 rupees. 776. Is that our first target? Yes. So again, where is the 5-minute chart? 773 here and then 776. So only one target is hit in Mahanagar Gas. Stock number one for tomorrow's session is none other than Godrej Consumer Products Limited. On the daily chart, we have a breakout level above 840 rupees. I have marked it down. Below the breakout level, we have a bullish breakout pattern called W pattern. There is an elevation of low here as well. The previous low was around 660 rupees, followed by the current low of 750 rupees. So there is clear signal of buyers buying at a higher level, and at the same time sellers are dropping off. Any bullish momentum above 840 rupees can surely have a go at the round number of 900 rupees. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. Here we go. This is a breakout level above 485 rupees. Below the breakout level, there is a higher highs, higher lows pattern which clearly establishes the bearish momentum. Checking the price action on a smaller time frame, yes, buyers are definitely buying it at a decent pace, and they are stuck at the level of 485 rupees. So any bullish momentum above 485 rupees on the back of rising volume activity and long range bullish candle on the 5-minute chart can take the price off, and it might even pass the breakout level of 500 rupees. Penultimate stock for tomorrow's session is none other than BPCL. On the daily chart, the stock has tested the bearish breakout level of 330 rupees number of times. 3 times here, 2 times here, and again the latest attempt by sellers. If I go to weekly chart, I cannot find a support level earlier than the round number of 300 rupees. So any bearish momentum below 330 rupees can pave the way for all the sellers to engage in colossal selling activity. Last but certainly not least stock for tomorrow's session is Hindalco Industries. If you carefully look at the price action, the breakout level of 440 has been in the firing line for the longest time. See number of attempts made by buyers. Currently, the latest attempt is strongest of all. It has long range bullish candles along with rising volume activity. So breakout below, not below, above 440 rupees can fill the gap here, which is at 460 rupees.